Waking up in the morning, occasionally feeling like I'm reliving the same day over and over again, always knowing what's going to happen next. I spend my time with my little sister and my cousin. I spend most of my time in stores because that's really the only place I can go. I know my family is getting tired of me saying, when is quarantine going to be over? Or I can't wait till I go back to school. I mean, can you really blame me though? I'm looking outside the window while I watch the cars ride by, wondering if everything will go back like it was before. I miss being at school, with my friends, with my favorite teachers, hearing the bell ring and being mad that I had to go all the way to the office just to get a late pass. I just feel so bored that we are not able to do anything at all. It doesn't make it any better. We have police officers killing our black brothers and sisters. Feel scared that they're going to get shot, whether it's walking down the street, grocery shopping, or driving a car. To feel like I'm trapped in a box and there's nothing I can do to get out and be heard. I want to be heard. Quarantine gives us enough time to make people listen, since no one wants to do anything about it. This is something that's very cruel to the world. Why wouldn't it be fair to show how much this means to us? How much we can change the world if we were able to unite and not let people judge us because our skin is darker than others or our lips are bigger than yours. We're all human beings that just want to be loved and not be hated. I want to feel normal. I want to feel free.